So today I have a very special video for you. We'll be doing my unfinished house tour. I'm actually living in my house right now. The first floor is finished, but the other floors aren't. So you'll be seeing what the house looks like now, and then you'll get a feel of what my ideas are for it. And then when it's finished, when it's done, I'll do another video. But I'll be updating you before it's all done. Yeah. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So let's go! My unfinished house tour.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Welcome to my humble home. Yes, so that's the wall. That wall is gonna go all the way to the back and go all the way around the house. That's where my daughter does her homework at times. At that area right where you're looking at, that's where my daughter's bathroom will be. It hasn't been constructed yet, but her bathroom will be there. That's a tank that we're gonna step up on. Right over there is gonna be the washroom. And yeah, now you're in my dining room. Welcome to my dining room. Yes, I'm gonna have a big ass dining table. There's a lot of stuff in here that needs to clean out. A lot of material. Look at those arches. Look at those arches. They are fabulous. And you're looking straight into my kitchen. That right here is my kitchen. It has like a semi-octagon shape. Lots of windows. Lots of windows. It's beautiful. Now let's go upstairs. We're going upstairs. So my house has 2 second floor, if you understand what I mean. That's gonna be a veranda, like another balcony. Right here, you're stepping into the TV room. It's gonna be like a movie theater setting. And right here is gonna be a room with a bathroom for guests. And to the right here, we're gonna have a balcony again, looking out, column there, and then we're gonna have a column right here. Yeah, that's a window. Okay, so as you can see, there's still a lot of work left to be done, but I'm getting there. And now this is what I call my safe haven. Yippee. The design in this room is sick. It's so crazy. I'm gonna have a little closet there, and right here where this window is is gonna be a bathroom, and this bathroom is gonna be, it's gonna be framed out with glass, out of glass. So that's gonna be crazy. And look at those windows. That window is gonna go all the way up to the top. It's gonna be some long windows, some long ass windows. There's another one all the way up, and then we have two at this each side right here at the front, all the way up. And this gonna be a big door right here that goes out to my balcony. Yeah, that's the other part of the house. Nice view, beautiful view. You can see everywhere. As you can see, it's a nice sunny day in Jamaica. Yes, I'm loving it. Okay guys, so let's get back downstairs so you can see. Okay, by the way, I have been using this staircase to go up and down on in the mornings when I'm doing my morning exercise. Oh, there's a lot of stuff to clean up. Okay, now you're stepping into my living room. This is my living room, my beautiful, nice, comfy living room. Yes. Over there is gonna be, oh yeah, that's my arch entrance. I love this arch entrance into the dining area. And there's a lot of shapes in this room. Right here is where the staircase is gonna cut out from downstairs to come upstairs. I might put a door here, right where I'm standing. I might put a door here in case I'm doing the Airbnb thing, which I had planned to do for the first floor. So I might put a door there, but they will have to cut out back, like right here, the area here, for the entrance from downstairs, from the first floor up. There's a lot of material there. Somewhere across there to the left is going to be my fireplace. Not there. This is my entrance table. And this is like a big doorway that we're going through. It's going to be like a big double door. And you're stepping out on another balcony veranda. Yeah, see my diamonds. Now we're entering the master bedroom. One of the master bedrooms. Yes. Yeah. Look at that roofing. The roofing is so good. It is beautiful. And this is like a big double door that's gonna be at the front. And then it's like a big sliding door that's gonna be there. And then they're gonna put on like a balcony at the front where I can step out, and also it's not yet constructed, but it will be there soon. And then you're gonna see these are like two closets. It's like a his and her closet. Well, the previous contractor messed up my closet. It was supposed to be way bigger than this, but yeah, it's like a closet. And now you're entering my bathroom. That's the master bathroom. Right here is gonna be my jacuzzi. I'm gonna have a nice jacuzzi here. Then over there's gonna be a standing shower, my toilet, and then a double vanity right there. Okay, now we're gonna go into another room, which will be my daughter room, right down the hall from me. There's a lot of material in here, guys. Right there is where some of the workmen sleep when they come out. I still don't know how they do that. And there you're looking at some of my used clothes, because I do sell used clothes too. Have a lot of business ventures. These clothes need to be sorted out, but I didn't have anywhere to keep them. And now you're looking through this door right there. That's the area where my daughter's bathroom will be. As I said, it has not yet been constructed. They will have to dig it out, line it out, and then they start construction. But yeah, so she can walk straight through that door and go straight into her bathroom at night, so she wouldn't have to like leave her room. A lot of clothes to be sold. Okay, so going down the hallway. Guys, this roofing is amazing. I'm not gonna lie, they did a great job on the roofing. Still a lot of stuff there. Material, I just think they're gonna use that to like do some rough casting on the wall. That's like the stuff they do before they render it and get it smooth. Look at that beautiful roof. Wow. My beautiful double door. Yeah. So now we're gonna go back downstairs. We're going outside. We're going outside. That's the back of the house. Yeah, that's it. So the other second floor is gonna be up on top right here. That's the kitchen we passing by. The kitchen. And that's the room that I showed you on top with the glass bathroom. Look at that design. Guys, it's gonna be crazy. We're passing the garage now. And this is my little fruit tree. It's called mulberry. It's a mulberry tree. And I'm just gonna pick one and eat. Yummy. Mulberry. Okay, guys. Now you're seeing my little palm tree there. I love that palm. But right here, we're gonna construct the circular area with bricks. So it's gonna be all bricks around the palm tree. And yeah, that's the front view of the house. Yep, my palm tree is gonna be so beautiful with a little brick work around it. And I have a crazy design, but I'm not telling you guys too much. Now you see those little goats? Those are my daughter's goatees. And right there is gonna be the gazebo, that round thing. Yeah, that's gonna be the gazebo. And now we're going to go across from the house to my business place. You're entering my bar. Welcome to my bar. This is my bar. Yes, I have a bar. It's a lovely inside, guys. Because of COVID-19, the whole coronavirus situation, it has been closed. But I guess the Jamaican government is now saying you can open the bars, but you can't have any stools, any chairs. You have to like, they just have to buy and go. Oh, this is amazing. Look at this light that comes on in the nighttime. It's so pretty when you turn it on in the night. I love it. Look at that. Oh my God, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Yes. So when the patrons are drinking and stuff, they have a nice ambience with a little light. And actually, this right here, this top is supposed to go over that, so they have a lot more space to sit around the bar. Like the space go across, it's wider. Yeah. And now you're gonna go into my, this is the bar's bathroom, like for patrons. Now they go here. Yeah, nice and clean. So when you visit Jamaica, you can just visit my bar. If you're not in Jamaica, if you're in Jamaica, you can come and check out my bar. Okay, so this is the side view of the house. I'm trying to get a better view. Okay, let's go closer. This is the side view from the right. Looking at my sages. I just love these Texas sage. That's my lemon tree. Hasn't stopped bearing a lemon yet. Okay, that's my lychee tree we're passing. Lychee, another flower tree, cactus, palm trees, and some of those. Love looking at this sage. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Yeah, so I think we should go up now and see, get a closer view of the front of the house. I have like some bricks and stuff in the yard that I want you to see. Yeah, some nice bricks. Okay, so let's go up towards the garage now. We're going in the garage. It's a big ass garage. Well, it's long, not really big, but long. And yeah, that's my balcony for that room with the glass bathroom. And inside my garage, I have 2 windows for air, fresh air. These are my palm trees. The sun, like the drought was giving them a hard time, so I had to take them out of the sun and give them a lot of water. These are some other little flowers that I have here. And oh guys, you gotta see this. This is like that's an American apple tree. It's so cute. And right next to it is, this is a sweet pepper tree, bell pepper. And then right there, that's the apple tree that I accidentally watered. I overwatered the tree and it died. Oh yeah, so right here, this door is like the entry from the garage into the house. So when you get out the car, you're gonna enter the house from that doorway. There's gonna be a stairs right there where you're seeing the cement all the way up. So it's gonna come across to the side, and then we enter this door and go inside. Yeah, nice arch at the garage front. It's so beautiful. Those are the bricks that I was telling you about. And now you're going on my veranda. I think you guys saw this area in a previous video where I work out, but like the table wouldn't be there, and like right there would be my bike that I'm sitting, that I exercise on. And yeah, look at this door, guys. It's such a lovely door. I absolutely love this door. I fell in love with this door the first time I saw it. Cost me a few dollars. Not a few, it cost me a lot. I love this door too. And look at the flowers over this side. They're so pretty. By the way, did you guys see those stones on the wall? They're incredible. These are the bricks I was telling you about. Then you'll know that this is the house from the road, across the road. This is the view of the house from across the road. And yes, actually I want to take you to the back. Okay, so this is the back of the house, and this is where the pool will be, and that's where my daughter studies sometimes when the sun isn't hot. But sometimes she brings like her big umbrella and she sits and studies there. Yeah, so oh guys, look at this. I thought that this was dead. I thought it was totally dead, and then voila, my flowers is springing back. I'm so happy. Happy ending. I actually will be doing more videos, not just my weight loss videos. I'll be doing videos on lifestyle, cooking videos, a lot more. So you guys have to stay tuned and keep watching my videos, keep liking my videos, keep supporting.